or like a timing belt, right? You tell us.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So what is this called again, and where do we get it?
You go to jacktechusa.com, and this is the SK-3000.
Why is there no patent for China? Do Chinese respect patents? Is that a thing?
Oh, actually, there is a knockoff of this going around, and that one is not safe.
Parts are here.
I said D6 Spanky. The letter D, the number 6 Spanky. Let's go learn something. This video is not an endorsement or a review, but an instructional how to use the tool properly video. A special thank you to JackTech USA for providing the SK-3000 to use in this demonstration. Review video to come. Let's go learn something. To compress the spring in the upright position, set the strut cup in the fixing bite. Once you set it in, and turn the clamp adjusting handle to push the lower arms in and hold that strut cup. Give the strut a wiggle to help it settle into place and sit straight. So this is the spring fixing bite. Get it centered on better. You can lift this up and then drop it down by pushing this little lever here. Put that down. Now with the arms, you want to pull them all the way up and pull them in place and then push them down. This one's got to go down. Good. And then from there, because this one's not quite on, so we'll tighten it down into place. And you can loosen these to move these around, forward and back, so you can get a good grip. This one needs to be tightened down just as much. And it's got a ratcheting feature, so if you back it up, it's nice and smooth. If it ratchets down, so it's not going to pop up in your face. And you need to keep your foot on the bottom. Alright. That's moving, so now we're free to take this out. So now, got the mount out, rubber, boot, off. This has got a nice tight firm feel to it. This lobule lightly.
You ever feel like it's going to run away from you?
No, I don't know.
Isn't that cool?
One thing that I've noticed is that the straighter that you can set it up, the easier and more tame everything is. The more time you take to set up and make sure that everything is perfectly square, that the spacing between here and here is the same, but the more everything is going to be square and easy. There you go. Let me just get this out. New one, back in, reassemble.
I'm going to take just a little bit of spray lubricant, the silicone of course, get a little on each side. This will help quiet it down a little bit as well, so you don't have creaky squeaky stuff. That should be more likely to not be too good for its home.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, go ahead and let off.
Watch fingers.
Yep, yep. They're on top. Go down, tighten. And go clockwise a little. Loosen. So it's kind of experimentation, hit and miss, getting this to get happy. That time it landed in the right spot. Go ahead. Cool. So what happens if your hand's on it and something gives way? Your arm's going to go up, but you're going to have diminishing length. It's going to be shorter. If your face is over it and your hand, I mean your hand can move. Your face has the whole weight of your face and your head has the whole weight of your body to launch, so that's a lot of pressure. I didn't think of that in gender neutral terms. Don't call a girl fat kind of stuff on the brain.
Don't forget to line up your marks.
Yeah, because
so you hate yourself later.
You can do this one at any time, because guess what? When you turn the wheel, this is going to turn. The only thing you really need to worry about at this point is just where the spring ends on it.
Still good practice.
Yeah, it is.
Make sure it lines up.
You like it.
I like it to line up.
And that's how you put it together. Right equipment in this case meant using a non-impact socket. Tell us, Pinky.
Well, the thick wall sockets just won't fit in there. It just comes
There's
in.
no room.
Yeah, the way it curves around, it's deceiving.
It's like a black hole of you can't come in. These black holes suck you and they just crush you in the meantime. Anyway, it's tricky. We use an impact and we brace the bottom underneath the boot. We lift the boot up and then grab it with a non-marring holding tool. If you use a leather glove and some vice grips, that works pretty good, I found. Or like a timing belt. Right? You tell us.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So what is this called again, and where do we get it?
You go to jacktechusa.com, and this is the SK-3000. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/channel D6Spinky, and on Twitter and Instagram at D6Spinky. If you would like to support me in putting out more videos, become a patron at patreon.com/D6Spinky. Thanks again for watching.